Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you have related workbooks that you open at the same time to view different information in them, you might consider saving them as a workspace. A workspace is simply a saved definition of what workbooks should be open and how to arrange them on screen. The advantage to this is that when you open the workspace in the future, all of the workbooks that you have included as members of the workspace will be open and arranged as well. To create a workspace, you must first open the workbooks that you want to save as members of the workspace. Also, make sure that you do not have any workbooks open that you do not want to save within the workspace, including any blank workbooks that you might have open. You can open multiple workbooks in a single folder simultaneously by selecting File and Open from the menu bar, and then using the Look-In drop-down to navigate to the folder that contains the workbooks that you would like to create as part of your workgroup. Select the first workbook you'd like to open, hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and click to select any other workbooks to open. Finally, release the Control key on your keyboard and click the Open button in the Open dialog box's lower right-hand corner. That will open all of the selected workbooks at the same time. Now, once you have opened all the workbooks that you want to include in the workspace, at that point you're ready to save the workspace. To do that, select File from the menu bar and choose the Save Workspace command. This will open the Save Workspace dialog box. In this dialog box, use the Save In drop-down to select where you would like to save it to. In the file name, type in the name of the workspace, and then click the Save button to save all of the open workbooks as a single workspace. Now, after you've closed out the individual workbooks that you've opened, you can easily reopen them in the future by selecting File from the menu bar and choosing Open. In the Open dialog box, navigate back to the folder into which you saved your workspace. You should see it as its own separate icon. You can double-click it to open it. Note that when you create workspaces, it only stores the definition of which workbooks to open and how they should be arranged. It doesn't in any way change the workbooks themselves, which can still be opened and changed independently of the workspace. In the same way, when you delete a workspace, it doesn't delete the workbooks associated with the workspace itself.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.